how to type this matrix in your Word document. If you want to insert a matrix equation or type this simple matrix in your Word document, this video is for you. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. In your Word document, navigate to the top menus and tap on Insert. The ribbon on the top menus will change. Navigate and locate equation, which is at the far extreme right, and tap on it. Then make sure you tap on this arrow just beneath bracket, and then continue to select this one, which is bracket. Now with this selected, make sure you select the dotted in the middle. After that, navigate back to the matrix sign and tap on it. Then continue to select 3 by 3. After having this, now we're going to enter our values. With the first one, I'm going to enter 7, then 35, then 3, then 9, then 5 again, then 6, then 7, then 3, and finally 1. That's it. You have successfully entered your matrix in Word. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.